Welcome to Deleting Files and Directories. In this lesson, you'll learn how to safely remove files and directories from your Mac and Linux terminals. The rm command deletes files, while rmdir removes empty directories. We'll also cover recursive deletion for removing entire directory structures. These operations are powerful but must be used carefully, as deleted files cannot be easily recovered. We'll show you safe deletion practices including interactive mode, and how to verify what you're deleting before it's gone. The rm command removes files from your file system. The basic syntax is rm, followed by the file name. You can delete a single file by specifying its name. To delete multiple files, list them all after rm separated by spaces. The rm command permanently deletes files, so they cannot be recovered from the trash, like in a graphical file manager. Be very careful when using rm, as there's no undo. To be safer, you can use rm with the -i flag for interactive mode, which will prompt you before deleting each file. This gives you a chance to confirm each deletion. You can also use rm with the -v flag for verbose output, which shows each file as it's being deleted. The rm command is one of the most dangerous commands in Unix-like systems, so always double-check what you're deleting. Never use rm without understanding what files you're targeting. The rmdir command removes empty directories. Unlike rmdir only works on directories that contain no files or subdirectories. This is a safety feature to prevent accidental deletion of directories with content. The syntax is rmdir, followed by the directory name. If you try to remove a directory that contains files, rmdir will give you an error message saying the directory is not empty. To remove a directory with contents, you need to use rm with the recursive flag instead. The rmdir command is useful when you want to ensure you're only removing empty directories, which helps prevent accidental data loss. You can remove multiple empty directories at once by listing them after rmdir. If any directory in the list is not empty, rmdir will stop and report an error for that directory. To delete directories and all their contents, you need the recursive flag. Use rm-r, followed by the directory name. The -r stands for recursive, which means rm will delete the directory and everything inside it, including all subdirectories and files. This is a very powerful and dangerous operation. Once you delete a directory recursively, all its contents are permanently gone. You can combine the recursive flag with other options. Use rm-ri for interactive recursive deletion, which will prompt you before deleting each file and directory. This is much safer than rm-r alone. You can also use rm-rf for force recursive deletion, which removes files without prompting even if they're write protected. However, rm-rf is extremely dangerous and should be used with extreme caution. Always verify the path before using recursive deletion. A common mistake is accidentally deleting the wrong directory, which can result in significant data loss. When in doubt, use rm-ri for interactive mode to see what will be deleted before confirming. Excellent work! You now understand how to delete files with rm, remove empty directories with rmdir, and perform recursive deletion with rm-r. Remember that deletion is permanent, so always use interactive mode when you're unsure, and double-check what you're deleting. These commands are essential for file management, but use them carefully.